Brazil competed at the 1992 Summer Olympics in Barcelona, Spain. 182 competitors, 132 men and 50 women, took part in 107 events in 23 sports. Medalists: gold Marcelo Negreiro, Jorge Edson Brito, Giovanni Gavio, Paulo André Silva, Mauricio Lima, Janelson Carvalho, Douglas Chiarati, Antonio Carlos Wuvet, Talmo Oliveira, André Felipe Ferreira, Alexandre Samuel and Amaury Ribeiro. Volleyball, men's team competition: Rogerio Sampaio, judo, men's lightweight; Silva Gustavo Borges, swimming, men's 100 meters freestyle; archery. In its fourth Olympic archery competition, Brazil sent 2 men. Only one qualified for the elimination rounds, where he was defeated in the first match. Men's individual competition: Vitor Krieger, round of 32, 30th place; Dutra Melo, ranking round, 49th place. Athletics: men's 100 meters, Andre Domingos Silva heat, 10.78. Men's 4x400 meters relay: Aronila de Arroyo, Nelson Rocha, Sergio Meixas de Menezes, and Sidney Tells de Souza heat, 3 minutes 1 second and 38 milliseconds. Robson da Silva, Nelson Rocha, Sergio Meixas de Menezes, and Sidney Tells de Souza final, 3 minutes 1 second and 61 milliseconds. Men's marathon: Osmiro de Souza Silva, 2 minutes 17 seconds and 16 milliseconds. Josildo Rocha da Silva, 2 minutes 26 seconds and 0 milliseconds. Diamantino dos Santos did not finish. Men's 110 meters hurdles: Joel dos Santos Bonfim heats, 14.06. Semi-final, 49.66. Pedro Chiamalera heat, did not finish. Men's 20 km walk: Sergio Galdino, 1 hour 33 minutes and 32 seconds. Marcelo Palma, 1 hour 40 minutes and 11 seconds. Adamar Kamla did not finish. Men's triple jump: Inicio Silva qualification, 16.03 meters. Jorge Luis Teixeira qualification, 15.64 meters. Men's decathlon: Pedro da Silva. Women's 10,000 meters: Carmen de Oliveira qualifying heat, 34 minutes 48 seconds and 21 milliseconds. Women's marathon: Marcia Narlock, 2 minutes 44 seconds and 32 milliseconds. Jeanette Mail, 3 minutes 0 seconds and 23 milliseconds. Basketball, men's team competition preliminary round: lost to Croatia, lost to Spain, defeated Angola, lost to United States, defeated Germany. Quarterfinals, lost to Lithuania. Classification matches: 5th, 8th place, defeated Puerto Rico; 5th, 6th place, defeated Australia; 5th place. Team roster: Paulo Villas Boas, Jorge Guerra, Gerson Victorino, João José Viana, Rolando Ferreira, Ricardo Cardoso, Maury Poniquar, Marcel Poniquar, Aristides Santos, Wilson Fernando Kuhn, Oscar Schmidt, Israel Machado. Women's team competition preliminary round: defeated Italy, lost to Cuba, lost to Unified Team. Classification matches: 5th, 8th place, lost to Czechoslovakia; 7th, 8th place, defeated Italy; 7th place. Team roster: Hortensia Marcari, Janeth Arcane, Helen Cristina, Nadia Bento, Vania Hernandez, Maria Paula Goncalves, Adriana Santos, Marta Sobril, Ruth Roberta de Souza, Maria Jose Bertolotti, Joyce Nara Batista, Simone Pontello. Boxing: men's flyweight: Luis Freitas. Men's featherweight: Rogerio Dezorzi. Men's lightweight: Adilson Silva. Men's light middleweight: Lucas Franca. Canoeing. Cycling: 7 cyclists, 6 men and 1 woman, represented Brazil in 1992. Men's road race: Wanderley Magalhães. Tony Azevedo, Hernandez Quadri. Men's team time trial Fernando Luro, Euripides Ferreira, Marcio May, Hernandez Quadri. Men's points race Fernando Luro. Women's road race Claudia Carcerone, 2 hours 23 minutes and 52 seconds. Diving. Women's 10 meters platform Silvana and night ski preliminary round, 230.70 points. Equestrianism. Fencing. 4 fences, all male, represented Brazil in 1992. Men's acute PE acute Roberto Lazzarini, Luciano Finardi, Francisco Papaiano. Men's sabre Ricardo Menelda. Gymnastics. Handball. Brazil, South Korea 26-30. Classification match 11th, 12th place, Brazil, Egypt 24-27. Team roster: Jose Luis Aguirre Ramalho, Sergio Carnacciali Caviccialo Dreen Farancina Dutra Milton Fonseca Pelissari Rodrigo Hofeld Osvaldo Inocente Filo Gilberto Jesus Cardoso, Jose Luis Lopes Vieira Ricardo Matos Pereira Ivan Bruno Maziero Marcelo Minhato Ferraz Paulo Rogerio Moritor Jose Ronaldo Nascimento, Claudio Oliveira Brito Ivan Raimundo Pinheiro Edson Roberto Rizzo. Head coach: Antonio Carlos Simões. Judo. Men's extra lightweight Shigeto Yamasaki. Men's half lightweight Rogerio Sampaio. Men's lightweight Sergio Oliveira. Men's half middleweight Ezequiel Paraguasu. Men's middleweight Wagner Castrobal. Men's half heavyweight Aurelio Miguel. Men's heavyweight Jose Mario Tranquillini. Women's extra lightweight Andrea Rodriguez. Women's half lightweight Patricia Bevilacqua. Women's lightweight Gemina Alves. Women's half middleweight Tanya Ishii. Women's middleweight Rochitsuelu Campos. Women's half heavyweight Soraya Andre. Women's heavyweight Edelina Parasita. Rhythmic gymnastics. Rowing. Sailing. Men's sailboard George Rebello final ranking 216.0 points. Women's sailboard Cristina Forte final ranking 183.0 points. Women's 470 class Claudia Swan and Monaco Shield final ranking 100.7 points. Shooting. Swimming. B final 23.01. Teófilo Ferreira Heat 24.13. Final 49.43. Emmanuel Nascimento Heat 51.17. Men's 200 meters freestyle Cristiano Michelena Heat 1 minute 51 seconds and 4 milliseconds. Gustavo Borges Heat 1 minute 51 seconds and 42 milliseconds. Men's 100 meters backstroke Rogerio Romero Heat 57.28. B final 2 minutes 1 second and 2 milliseconds. B final 54.85. Eduardo Piccinini Heat 54.87. B final 2 minutes 1 second and 87 milliseconds. Andre Teixeira Heat 2 minutes 1 second and 39 milliseconds. Men's 200 meters individual medley Jose Carlos Souza Heat 2 minutes 7 seconds and 9 milliseconds. Renato Ramalho Heat 2 minutes 7 seconds and 78 milliseconds. Men's 400 meters individual medley Renato Ramalho Heat 4 minutes 29 seconds and 28 milliseconds. Men's 4 times 200 meters freestyle relay Gustavo Borges, Emmanuel Nascimento, Teófilo Ferreira and Cristiano Michelena Heat 7 minutes 24 seconds and 20 milliseconds. Cristiano Michelena, Emmanuel Nascimento, Gustavo Borges, and Teófilo Ferreira final 7 minutes 24 seconds and 3 milliseconds. Synchronized swimming. 3 synchronized swimmers represented Brazil in 1992. Women's solo: Glaucia Soutinho, Fernanda Verano, Cristiana Lobo. Women's jet: Fernanda Verano, Cristiana Lobo. Table tennis. Men's singles competition: Luis Matar first round, lost to Paul Hahuis 6-4, 3-6, 2-6, 2-6. Quarterfinals: lost to Andrei Cherkasov 1-6, 4-6, 7-6, 6-4, 2-6. Men's doubles competition: Luis Matar and Jamie Wanson's first round, lost to Emilio Sanchez and Sergio Casal 3-6, 6-3, 7-6, 3-6, 1-6. Women's singles competition: Andrea Vieira Arnold first round, lost to Manuela Maleva 2-6, 3-6. Volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling.